So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Apple iPhone 7 extended high capacity battery. So this will last longer than your original Apple OEM battery. So I got this out of eBay for $13.69, and this one is the 2300 milliamp high capacity battery with the adhesive tape, and also come with a 2-year warranty. So it is free shipping, and with the tax and everything is $14.89 total. So this time I'm doing this with the ASMR style, since I already did it with the regular unboxing. So it comes with this bubble envelope. I'm going to cut out opening on the side right here with a scissor. So this brand is the LOCTUS, and as you can see, it says 24 months warranty. And the battery, it is made in China. It is wrapped within this shrink wrap. It says last longer, charge faster, make charging easier, boost performance of your device. So as you can see, previously Apple did the battery gate. So that means it will slow down your iPhones, and then they get the lawsuit with the class action. So and this is compatible with iPhone 7 model A1660, A1778, and A1779. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with this double-sided tape. And then here is the battery with the high capacity. So you guys just slide this out downward. that. And here's the connector right here. And then come with this instruction and tech support. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.